Hi guys, sorry for not being so aesthetically pleasing for this video. I'm feeling lazy, so I'm recording this video on my beanbag. In this video, we will learn how we can learn anything quickly. It's the age of AI, and if you're not utilizing AI to learn something better, then you are doing it wrong. AI is not just for coding or asking questions like you do in Google. You can do much better than that. That's what I am going to show you in this video. We will be taking an example of AI from Google Gemini. It's a dedicated website called Notebook LM. I'll just Google it. This is the website, and it is also available for free if you have a Google account. But if you are on Gemini Premium, you will have more access to it. There will be no limitations. Let's try Notebook LLM. If you're not already aware, it is a tool where you can upload PDF files, videos, audios, or give it links, and it will understand the information. After that, you can ask questions around it. It will give you answers from within that content. You also have the option to create podcasts. There are amazing podcasts available on YouTube, Spotify, and other platforms. So that's the same concept which is applied by this Notebook LM, which will create content around the PDF, audio, whatever content you have, feed it into Notebook LM. So it will create a podcast which you can download and listen to anywhere, like in your car, in your gym, or while doing something else. I'm going to quickly show you how I am utilizing it. Now, YouTube is an amazing source of information. Apart from cat video, movie trailers, comedy sketches, you can learn a lot of things from actually amazing channels out there. One such amazing channel is TEDx Talk, where the person who is very known person of that field comes and gives a talk. So if the video is 14 minutes, 15 minutes long, you can watch it, or you can even listen to it. But if the video is long, like 1 hour, 1.5 hours, I personally find it too long, and I have saved a lot of videos that are long, but I don't have time to listen to them. This is the solution that I'm using to actually extract information from those 1 hour, 1.5 hour videos. Let me find one video. Okay, so let's take an example of this video. Think faster, themes.
Answer those.
It is not long. It is still 44 minutes. And if I don't have time watching this entire video, what I can do is I can copy the URL and create a notebook. Once I do it, you can see it has started summarizing it. I can either create an audio description, mind maps, reports, or anything. I will create an audio overview from here, and it is generating. Within few minutes, I will have an audio which will be much lesser in duration, not 44 minutes. So I can learn it faster. Not only from YouTube, you can copy links from other websites as well. If you are doing research on particular thing, you can collect links from here and there and put it into a single folder in Notebook LM and learn about that specific thing from those sources. It is an amazing source and free to use. Even if you don't have any subscription, you can still use it. Although it is limited, you will still be able to get your stuff done. So this was a quick video. I'm sure you find value in this, and I promise that I don't usually make this type of video. I was just feeling lazy and wanted to create content, but I'm usually making good videos, polished videos that appear on my channel. You can check it out yourself and subscribe if you like the content. I will see you in the next one. Till then, take care.